Hell's Kitchen system, which comes with all these. I will leave the links down below so you can check them out on my blog post. Today we're going to be using the Ninja Total Crushing Pitcher to create 3 delicious smoothies you can take for breakfast, lunch, or just as a snack. Let's start. Okay, so for the first recipe you're going to need blueberries, strawberries, banana, and I will be using almond milk and just a little bit of vanilla. So now we're going to add all our ingredients. Delicious! Okay, so this next one's a super green smoothie. So we're gonna start with kale, which has a lot of vitamin K and antioxidants and all that good stuff. Then we're gonna add spinach and banana, which is gonna give it that sweetness. We're gonna add a little bit of ginger. Make sure to cut a piece of this. And almond milk. I love it. Cheers! Okay guys, so this last one is my favorite one. It's a really tropical one, so it's really perfect for summer. But for this one, we're gonna use mango and pineapple, yummy, and celery, a little bit of cucumber, and my favorite drink, coconut water. Oh my god, this is delicious! Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoy my recipes and let me know in the comments down below what you think. And I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy my smoothie day. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Do you guys wanna make fun of me? Here are my bloopers. Okay, ready? Let's go! Okay, we're gonna be using the Ninja... Get my shoes. Today we're gonna be using the Today we're gonna be using the Total Crushing Pitcher. Ninja Crushing Pitcher. Ninja Total Crushing Pitcher. Okay. Does anybody know any relaxation techniques? My shirt's falling off. I've been calling the celery cilantro.
Let me just get in my position.
And that's not my real voice, by the way. Do I look too hoochie? So the freaking mango! Trying to look sexy while I make these shakes. Girls just wanna have fun.